What's up my mates of YouTube, my name is Aussie Marcel, the most luscious locks on YouTube, and in today's video I'm actually going to be doing a review of Nike Man Ultra Blue. Now the first thing I'm going to say is that I've seen online that it's being compared to Hugo Boss Bottled Unlimited, which is sort of like a fresh, musky, slightly floral fragrance. I don't find that Ultra Blue is anything like that at all. It's just aquatic, fresh, a little fruity. That's about it. It's not a standout fragrance, and I think it may be the worst one I've tried of the Nike line. And here's the bottle. It's more see-through than the others, I will say that, but you know, that's just a visual thing. It has nothing to do with the actual fragrance. And here's the bottle without the packaging. So yeah, atomizer. It's a bit of a wind happening, but atomizer is decent enough. All the Nike fragrances have a decent atomizer. Just let the alcohol burn off a little bit, dry off. Yeah, it's just fresh, a little aquatic, a little sweet. It's not the most special thing I've ever smelt, and it's definitely the most generic of the Nike Man fragrances that I've smelt. Even like Graphite, which is the premium edition one in the grey bottle, that's on the more generic side, but that has more interest in it than this one. This one, just boring, fresh. It does have a little sweetness to it, a little fruity punch. This is going to be one of those ideal fragrances for a teenager or somebody looking as like an easy entry point into men's fragrances and perfumery. And I say that because a lot of the other Nike fragrances that I've tried are clones of slightly more sophisticated and nuanced men's fragrances, like the blue one, the actual blue, Nike Blue. That's the Ultra Male clone, and that may be a little too dense and a little too powerful for some people. This one, on the other hand, no issues whatsoever. If you're a teenager, you got $10 to spend. I personally think any Nike fragrance is going to be superior than an Adidas fragrance. Although I do see the Adidas fragrances go down to like $6. So, you know, if $4 is a lot for you, maybe just wait for one of the Adidas fragrances to come on special. But even in saying that, you can probably get away with finding one of these a little cheaper. I have seen bottles here and there go for $7, $8, but you know, just keep a lookout. This was $9 at Chemist Warehouse, and for that price, it is good value. It's just a little generic, a little boring. I just get citrus in the top. There's a touch of spice and some fruitiness throughout the fragrance. Maybe a little bit of clean white musk as well, which is probably where it draws comparisons to Boss Unlimited. But I don't know, I much prefer Boss Unlimited because it's got iced violet, pineapple, sandalwood and musk. It's just a more complex fragrance whilst still being, you know, fresh and approachable. Anyways, that's about all that I have to say on Nike Man Ultra Blue. Have you ever tried it before? If you have, let me know in the comments below. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel. This is Nike Man Ultra Blue, and I'll catch you guys around.